So if a patient is having increased weight gain, if developing skin tags, and patient is having blackening around the neck, so can it indicate any insulin resistance? Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jayaditya Ghosh, consultant endocrinologist in Yashoda Hospital, Malakpet. So if a person is having any of the symptoms of weight gain, developing excessive skin tags as well as blackening around the neck, then it can indeed be a problem of insulin resistance. So what is this insulin resistance? As I had already said in my previous videos, insulin resistance is a key factor which leads to the development of diabetes later. If any of the patient is having development of weight gain or blackening around the neck as well as development of increased skin tags around the neck or anywhere in the body, these can be indeed a sign of insulin resistance, and these are the precursor signs of development of diabetes. So what does this insulin resistance mean? It means that the body is actually producing increased amount of insulin to control your glucose level. So this is meaning that there is increased insulin, but it is not properly acting at the level of the receptors. So these ultimately later on, when the pancreas is not able to compensate for this insulin resistance that is there in the body, a person develops diabetes. So if you have these symptoms, these should be taken care of and adequately treated. So what are the parameters that you should look forward to inquire whether you are having this insulin resistance or not? We can look for a fasting blood glucose and a fasting insulin levels. So if there is increase in the insulin levels, even though the fasting glucose is normal, it is at high time that we should take insulin resistance very importantly, and it should be adequately treated, because later if we do not pay attention to the signs of insulin resistance that the patient is having, later they will develop diabetes, which is a chronic disease, and it can cause problems later as well. So if you're having the symptoms, you should consult an endocrinologist at the earliest and get yourself tested, so how you can control these signs of insulin resistance. Thank you.
Like, comment and subscribe for more health updates.